Okay, so we're going to make a batch of peanut butter cookies. 3 ingredient peanut butter cookies.
No flour.
With no flour. What you see here is a cup of peanut butter, a cup of sugar, and 1 egg. Now we're going to mix all these ingredients together. And I'm going to crack this egg for you. Just hang on. One egg. That's all we need. Okay, we're going to scrape the peanut butter in there. Make sure we get it all. Add 1 cup of sugar and 1 egg. Now we just mix that all together. Put this down and mix it up. Okay, as you can see, we got it mixed up now. Now we're going to take it over to the table. And we're going to ball it up and put it on cookie sheets and smash it with a fork. Now we're going to smash them with a fork, just like this. And you do that to every single cookie. And then you put them in the oven. Put them in the oven at 375 for 10 minutes. Start baking, and we'll be back in a minute with the final result. Okay, so there you have it. There's the finished product. Now they just came out, so they got to cool off. But I'm sure they'll be just as good as the last ones.